What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be doing a sound comparison, induction noise sound comparison between the stock Mopar drop-in filter with the stock airbox, K&N drop-in filter in the stock airbox, and my new Corsa intake that I got. For those of you curious, this has 15,000 miles on it. It's a little like dirty, but I picked out like one bug and one little random flake of leaf or something, so pretty good for 15,000 miles if you ask me. So I would recommend wearing headphones for this video. There's always best sound through headphones usually. I don't know if we're even gonna hear any induction noise with these two, or even the Corsa for that matter, because I do have the Borla S-type exhaust, so the induction noise has to be pretty loud in order to hear it over the exhaust. But we're gonna give it a whirl anyways, see if you guys can pick up on it at all, and let's get started here. We'll start with the drop-in, then do the K&N, and then the Corsa. Stock air filter, windows up from a dig. Stock air filter from a roll, windows up. Stock air filter, windows down from a dig. Stock air filter from a roll with the windows down. K&N air filter from a dig, windows up. K&N from a roll with windows up. K&N filter from a dig, windows down. K&N from a roll with the windows down. All right, this is Corsa cold air intake from a dig, windows up. Corsa intake from a roll, windows up. All right, Corsa cold air intake from a dig, windows down. Corsa intake from a roll, windows down. All right, guys, so to sum it up, I really didn't hear any difference between the K&N drop-in filter and the factory paper filter. And honestly, I'm not really hearing much of a difference out of the Corsa either. I don't know if it's gonna pick up any better in like headphones or anything like that, but the Corsa, it might be a tiny bit more induction noise, but especially with me having my exhaust, it's just not that huge of a difference to really notice, which kind of sucks because a lot of people, when they put a cold air intake on, that's what they want, is more induction noise. But sometimes it can be too much induction noise and it actually gets a little annoying. But as long as, I guess, I'm picking up a little bit of performance out of it, I'm not too concerned. And I do have exhaust, so I don't need a ton of induction noise as long as I can hear my exhaust. So but I did just want to put this little mashup together, just if you're wondering, so you can know when you make your decision on what kind of intake you want to go with or what kind of filter. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.